to the state-owned Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC. The ceremonial part ending in a flourish with a band, yes, to the drum beat, yes. They're having some good fun out here. But let's go to our phone lines now. Papa Nana, good afternoon.
Mr. Hughes.
Yes, sir.
You make me feel good. You make Jamaica proud of you.
What me do now?
You make a proud of the government, but I want to reach back to yesterday how you had handled the program with those three comrades, right? The only problem that we did have is to know that it was three comrades that you didn't invite anybody.
Oh, you know, so them are three comrades.
Mr. Hughes, you know, just born yesterday, they are three comrades. They are. Yes.
Oh, I see.
They are three comrades.
Oh.
All right.
I don't know about that.
What I want to say something to you.
Yes.
I think you was at your best. I can tell you yesterday. No. You know why I have to rate you personally?
Why?
When Mr. Lightbeast, Timmy, try to use words that people like me can't understand. You see how quick you break it down that I could understand what you mean by. And he actually told you that the leader of the opposition was under his bourbon.
Yes. Yes.
You understand? You never stop to get in context because he told you that when you had the campaign trail and you stop at couple bar and you take little liquor and things. So he is saying that what he had said, it wasn't his, he didn't know.
Yes.
That it wasn't, he wasn't in control of what he was saying. But anyway, that's past and gone. Let me tell you something, man. I am so proud of you because you make people like me, when you break down things, people like me can understand.
But I didn't understand Lloyd B. Because Lloyd B used the word inebriated, which means drunk, intoxicated. And when I followed him up to say, are you suggesting that Mr. Golding was drunk? He went off. Say, I'm trying to corner him. No, it was a logical follow-up on what he said. I didn't understand Lloyd B. Yeah, probably never expect me to pick up on it so quickly. Yeah, but you know, what I tell you.
Well, a gentleman called me, and you know you have a lot of listeners in England and America, and they said, boy, Chris Hughes at his best. You were so sharp. But somebody said to ask you if you had told them what you were going to ask them before they came. Because he said, how come Mr. Samuel would bring his Bible?
Yeah, man, they know what we were going to discuss. Yeah, we told them what we were going to discuss. We don't give people the questions. We don't tell people what we're going to ask them. But we tell them what is the issue, yeah, that we'll be discussing, yeah, and get from them their own views on it, and we decide whether or not we're going to go with them or not.
Yes, but you listen to me now. I know that you don't have much time, but listen, let me ask you don't have a feeling that they should copyright or bad word, what you say is bad word, because I just said it's a part of Jamaican language. You don't think that we should copyright it?
Oh, well, and who would benefit from that? I don't know.
All right, listen to me. The good answer. But listen, if we had copyrighted, foreigner couldn't come here and speak it as they have a mind like Mr. Golden, you know.
Oh, no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. No, I don't say it work. It don't work like no. No, you can't. If we as a people over time have come to use and accept that certain words, we describe them as bad words because they're not appropriate, for the normal interaction use of language between people. In fact, we know that certain words, like the one that Golding used, is one of the most, what is the word? One of the most colorful. Yeah, that one, you don't use it normally in the course of discussing things with people. When you use it, that means you're bex. For me, if you tell you about your BC and your RC and whatever, that means me vex.
Yes.
That one is not for general common usage, which is why I think Mr. Golding use of it under the circumstances, jolted a lot of people.
Yes, but let me ask you. Somebody was saying why you didn't get Nathan Campbell to come on the program. Because I want to. Why you didn't get him to come on the program? You see what I was saying to you?
Because we didn't want to go the political route. We wanted to hear from two lawyers, Mr. Smith, Lloyd B., who was the first one to raise the issue that, listen, it's time we change the law and decriminalize the use of the word in public. Yeah? If you use it in private, that's okay, but to use it in the public square, you're putting yourself at risk of criminal prosecution.
Yes, but Mr. Youth, I was wondering, when Mr. Campbell decided that Mr. Warmington should have charged for a criminal offense, you see what I'm trying to tell you?
You said from that context, we should have asked Dayton Campbell whether Mr. Golding should be arrested and charged too.
All right.
I see where you're going. Listen
to me now, let me ask you something, Mr. Hughes. Suppose Mongoose was to have secrets for dog. What do you think would happen to Paul?
Not dead?
If Paul would have dead? Yeah, because the Mongoose would have near my office and he didn't do nothing about it.
Yes.
I'll leave you to think about it.
The other thing, and I asked Mr. Lloyd B., and all of us listening, there are those who have remained deafeningly quiet, deafeningly silent on it. Yeah? Would they have remained silent if it were Prime Minister Andrew Holness who uttered that word under similar circumstances? Would they have remained quiet? I tell you, no, they would not. Yeah, some of them would have run out long time. Yeah, demanding that he resign.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. That is another question again when you ask him. Somebody said they wasn't listening to hear that he was still alive this man because he speaks something that is not true. But I know that he is a part of the Eli group. You understand? I know he is a part of the Eli group, but Mr. Hughes, I tell you, you're not a man who loves for people to congratulate you on certain things as big you. But I am telling you, make you be a number one person in this country. I want you to listen to me good, Mr. Hughes?
Yes, sir.
I cannot make you number one in this country because if I make you number one, me, Papa Nana, is going to equal you with other people. I'm going to make you number 1.5. I am telling you, Mr. Hughes, you are very, very wicked. I'm telling you, man. When I hear your dad here yesterday, the whole world is listening to you, Mr. Hughes. And let me tell you, you know why they disagree with all the bottom that Mr. Vaz worked so hard to produce? It's because I'm not yet picking them, I'm going to take them, Because it's reserved for Tapanari picnic. And that is the problem why them are fighting down so Tapanari picnic, them should not get that the service, not yet picnic. Jamaica people, be careful. You can't get mangoes, what chicken, me, I beg you, please. You can't not get, Mr. Hughes, did you know that if you catch a young crocodile and you feed him from him just man, and any day you go there and give him piece of meat, he can bite you and because he don't know you are different from the meat. Yes. You can't just people like those who don't listen to me. Look at what happened to me now. He can't, I know he couldn't come at the opening, He that friend, he that believe people are going to boo him. He line number one telling him he can't go. And him happy here.
I hear you.
It's a golden angle Peter Phillips and he still have to just get in line back. You know, see?
Well, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He have to fall in line One have to fall in line, no matter how we go. One have to fall in line.
We must stop that thing about one. Stop it.
Then Imawa,
He's Mikael Phillips. Stop it.
Okay, I will obey what you said.
Thank you very much.
What you said. My God,
Yes.
you should have to me heart a while ago. I'm not really have to take it back. But you know, it's all over. But let me tell you, man, you can't tell me that this government is not working in the sky. And you don't see the good that they are doing.
Yes.
So me tell you, how the buses them look to you.
Good. Yeah. They look ready. Yeah.
So, but the thing what I want to find out. On the work them not supply too much of the route and leave Kingston charter buses, you know.
No. Kingston, I don't think that will happen to Kingston.
Well,
I think the focus is on improving the fleet, increasing the fleet, and go and provide services to the other parts of the country that has been without this kind of organized, state-run, reliable, safe public transport for far too long.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah?
That's true.
You heard this morning they told me that the 93 new buses going to now have more routes. It means that the JUTC will cover more routes, and they're going to introduce a service, new services, Kingston to Port Antonio, Kingston to Negril, Kingston to Montego Bay, Kingston to Ocho Rios.
Right?
Yes, air-conditioned buses, so you're traveling comfort.
And as I told them,
Yes.
My
yes.
God, what am I going to do for this land government here?
You tell me that. Mina answer that. You tell me.
No,
Mina
well,
answer that.
Listen to me. I am praying and hoping that Mr. Mark Golding, Bunkin, Campbell, and the rest. I hope to God, and I'm praying and hoping that all of them land will become tourists.
How would that mean?
I am praying and hoping.
All of them lawn will become forest. What that mean?
Yes. It's all right. I'll leave that as a homework.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, Papa Nana.
God ever bless you.
Thank you, sir. Good. Errol, good afternoon. Yes, Errol.
Boy, me I tell you, Mr. Hughes. I know this already every day. The leader, I get a stripe up, the chaka I go down. You see? The chaka party, Mr. Hughes.
Yes, Errol.
Them divide, you have the rise and you have the comrade. You see the comrade them, if they ever make no move, the rise dash them way.
Oh.
You know, sir, Mikael Phillips, comrade party. Look, this morning, if you there with the bus place there and he could have dead there, if he ever push out his tail, then fling him one side.
Eh?
You don't know that answer that?
Me don't know that.
He was the transport minister, Mr. Hughes.
Exactly, that's why he was invited here.
Eh?
That's why he was invited here.
Why doing that, Mr. Hughes?
Me don't know.
Well, let me tell you, Mr. Hughes.
Yeah.
All the comrades there, me can't call their name, me no pray. The comrades them will go to Peter Phillips. Them have to stay back and can't jump. The last time, Julian jump and pop and the leader side when I say something and then join me, them have to get back in time.
Yes.
See the same thing come today. Phillips have a draw and can push out him head. If he ever push out the right, then dash him away. Get rid of him. You see it?
Yes.
None of them were the comrades. Phillips Powell, none of them they can't talk. Anything the right say them have to do. And if them not do, the right dash them overboard. You get what I say? Yes, man.
Dash them overboard.
People go out there and say, what you say?
Yeah.
Tell me what you saying that now.
Yeah, tell me now. Tell me, Errol. Me no know.
Tell me now, tell me Mr. Hughes, man. The man make this party, man. Then tomorrow they come over. Yeah, them run with something and come with some false thing.
Yeah.
Whatever was say now, the bus them hold too. They will find false he go up on the road now and nigga where express need to go to. They will go with something, you know. Just listen to the rest of the day wherever you are going, Mr. Youth. Them mad mind, chaka opposition there.
Yes.
Just listen. Bad mind are going to kill them. Chaka opposition them. Look come more, come in the funny program, look more. This is somebody that talk.
All right, sir. Take care of yourself, Errol. Well. That's how we're going to leave it for today. Yes? Want to say thanks to all of my callers or YouTubers or WhatsApp